What does it say? What does it say?
914. Okay, now we're in the right. Okay, I think we're in the right meeting. Are you in, Devora? 914.
Yes, I'm in the meeting. Yes.
You are?
Yes. Join the video.
Okay.
Oh.
Hi, Devora.
I'm right here.
Yeah.
I'll go to somewhere else.
But we can't hear you, Devora. You have to connect to audio.
Oh.
Okay, well then should I start the lesson, sweetie?
Audio?
Yeah. You're connecting to audio. Ask Shimon if he wants to join.
Now am I connected to audio?
Can you hear me?
In the room, yes.
Yeah. All right, well I'm just gonna give the I'm gonna give the lesson.
It's this thing?
Yes, connected, yeah.
I don't think they end yet. You need to wait.
Yeah, you're right. But I only have 20 minutes. Okay, I'm gonna get started my lesson, and it's recording anyway, so I can send it later. So hi everybody. At least one person came so far, and I welcome everybody who would like to join me in my first lesson, which is on creative writing.
What?
How to write creatively, to like expand your vocabulary. And I hope everybody can hear me.
To be honest, I don't have to do that. When I write something, I always do it creative.
That's great. We always are being creative. But in lesson 1, what we're going to do is we're going to learn about a very useful resource called a thesaurus.
What now?
Wait.
Whatever that is.
A thesaurus, very good question, Devora. A thesaurus is a book that you use to look up words that are like or opposite, similar or opposite to the word that you actually use. For example, the word soft. If you go to a thesaurus and you look up the word soft.
Oh, you mean like a milon?
It's like a milon, but it gives you words that mean something similar
to what you want,
to the word that you actually said. Similar or opposite. A simile is a word that's similar, and an antonym is a word that's opposite. So for example, we're going to work on the word soft today in our lesson. One moment, I think somebody's trying to come in to the meeting.
Who is it? No, seriously, who is it?
And just, what, did I send it to them? One sec. Oh, no, I did not. Okay, one moment.
That's why you're not sending it.
No, I gave it to everybody else. Okay, but for sure, it's re-recording. So, one second. All right, back to my lesson. So, mute. Okay.
Oh, you're on mute.
Okay, can you? All right, you're muted. No, it says I think you should be able to hear me.
In this room, yes.
Where you have to leave the room to so you can see if you can hear me or not.
Oh, fine.
This is not going so well. Okay, so soft. We're going to learn about the word soft. Can you hear me at all? Howard, can anybody hear me?
What?
I'm talking to my friend Howard, if you can hear me.
Hi, I can hear you, yes.
Great. Okay, that's my daughter Devora has joined me. So far, there's 2 people in my class, and I'll start the class over. I don't have a lot of time.
Who is that?
It's a friend of mine, Howard. Say hi to
Hi.
Devora. Okay.
Hi, Devora.
We're going to work very briefly on creative writing because we only have now about 10 more minutes.
Go.
All right, so the best resource for creative writing, for writing and expanding your vocabulary, is called a thesaurus. A thesaurus is like a dictionary, except that it tells you words that are like the word that you want to use, meaning that they have similar meaning, similar use, or opposite. Now, the example we're going to give is
Yeah.
soft. So can Howard or Devora, my two classmates, can any of you, either one of you, think of a few words, no, the same as soft? Something that means,
So,
It's the opposite.
Well,
the
I-
opposite of it is hard.
that's right, the
And
opposite is
something
hard.
Similar is easy.
Easy, that's right. Do we have another one?
what? So opposite words?
No. Similar to the word soft. We're going to start with similar.
Saw.
Soft.
Oh, soft.
Soft.
Soft. Oh,
That's the
sorry,
word.
that's me. Oh, it's difficult.
I hear you.
It's difficult. Can you hear me now?
A little bit.
Really? My mic's on.
I hear you fine. She's in the same room as me. It's okay.
Soft. I don't know. That's hard. I don't know.
Yeah.
Opposite is hard.
Okay.
Another word like soft.
So we'll give you a few hints. Comfortable.
Oh, comfortable. Okay.
Fluffy.
Yeah, that's good.
Spongy.
Oh, okay.
Creamy.
Alpha.
And delicate.
Creamy is not a word.
Creamy is another word for soft, according
No, it's
to
not.
this is
Creamy
according
is-
to thesauruses. It is another word
I know
for
that.
soft. Well, see, you learn something new all the time. So
I
now
say
that
that's my line.
now that we have a few examples that help you expand your mind a little bit, can you think of another word that's similar to soft? Since we went with comfortable and creamy, and we have
Smooth.
smooth. Very good. Would you have another one? Another word for soft.
Delicate.
Yes, delicate. Whoa.
I
This-
said delicate.
Delicate. Okay. So as we see, this is not so simple to come up with words that are similar to the one that expand your word that you're using, but that's very useful in writing. So what I want to give it a work home assignment,
Okay, I'm ready.
a homework assignment to my two students. Maybe I'll have some students later, is to write
Sorry?
7 sentences, because I have a daughter who's only in 6th grade, and she can write them in Hebrew. You can even do them in Hebrew.
Oh, I have to do them in English.
No, you have to do them in English, in the British English,
Come on.
or in
No
Hebrew.
one knows British English except for I have no idea who.
Howard,
Me,
who's from
Except for
Howard's-
me.
Howard's from England.
Oh,
All
thank
right,
you.
so we have to come up with 7 sentences using different words for the word soft, and you can use the thesaurus. The thesaurus, as I'll put it in the chat, is I'll put the resource in the chat. Just give me a minute to do that. I think I have a chat function. We do.
Yeah,
And let's-
down there.
Wait. Oh, no. Maybe it helps. 1 second. I'm going to run out of time here. We only get 40 minutes of free time
Oh, I see.
on the free time.
Oh, Red Tiger, where's she gone?
And there we go. We have it there, Red Tiger. That is the thesaurus that we can use as a great resource for expanding our vocabulary. And that is
Ah,
lesson number 1 in creative writing.
very good.
Think about something.
Thanks, Howard, for supporting
Okay,
my effort. It's been recorded, so I have this. I could send this around.
Oh, and the second lesson is
Hmm?
to be creative. And the third lesson is to think about something and then write it down.
Yes, that's a
very
great,
good.
that's a great lesson. And I want to end this with it, since we're here, in our new matzav. We have to say, I want to say a bracha that I want to bless that Hashem should give the chachma to all the people who need it right now to come up with a cure and or vaccine
Amen.
to this
Amen.
to the coronavirus.
Amen.
ASAP, no delay. I think even Trump's, we want Mashiach now, as we want a cure or a vaccine or both.
We need to be introspective as well. We need to
be
look at
introspective.
ourselves.
Yes, that is true.
Amen.
All right. Thanks, Howard.
All right, take care, Daniel. Nice to see you. Bye, Elvira. Bye.
It
Take
was
care.
nice to meet you, Howard.
Nice to see you,
Kinda.
sir.